Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is, what's the date? Monday, September 14th, 2020. It's early. I'm a little tired today. All right, so look, let's talk about what happened over the weekend and what's going to happen this week. Let's start off with this. Stock futures are higher across the board, pointing towards gains at the open. Now, why would that be happening here? Well, over the weekend, they floated out story after story after story, shedding positive light on this coronavirus vaccine. This is damage control. Last week, you know the story. It appeared that the warp speed vaccine wasn't all it's cracked up to be, and the market didn't like it. So when the market got that news, we dropped. Okay, pretty simple. I covered that. Now, over the weekend, they floated out these stories. The vaccine's coming out, trials to resume by the end of the year. Boom! Stock futures go right up. And this is the same playbook they use time after time after time. Remember how they manipulated the markets with that fake China trade deal story? I mean, 1,000 times. It's tremendous. It's fantastic. Oh, not so good. Hey, talks are back on. It's going well again. Oh, maybe not. So they're using the same playbook with regard to the coronavirus vaccine that they used with China trade. It's too funny. It's absolutely hilarious. Okay. So again, stock futures higher across the board. What else is going on? The dollar is weaker. Okay, you know this is positive for the market. Right now, gold and silver are higher on the back of that. So our cryptocurrencies getting bid up. All right, so dollar weaker, gold and silver higher, cryptocurrency higher. 10-year yield 0.67. We would like to see that moving up, no doubt about it. Crude oil is lower. It was flat about an hour ago. Right now, crude is down almost 1%. That's not great for the market. You know that. It will hit energy. It'll hit the financial sector. And we'll see how that plays out as well. That's the scenario we are at immediately, or right now. The market starts trading in about 35 minutes. So let's look a little forward to the middle of this week. We're going to hear from the Fed. So it's going to be a volatile week for the market. Expect that. Wednesday, the Fed is going to conclude their two-day meeting, and they're going to give us some guidance, I guess, with regard to what they're going to be doing moving forward. Now, I can already tell you what they're going to do. It's very simple. They're going to suppress rates from here into eternity with no end in sight whatsoever. The Federal Reserve will continue to buy debt. That means they have to add digits to a screen magically in amounts that we can't even get our heads around. Again, how and to buy the debt. That's what they do. They can't just say we're going to keep rates low. They have to create cash out of thin air. They have to get into the debt market. They have to buy the debt. At the same time, the Federal Reserve continues to funnel trillions of dollars around the world to other central banks who are buying assets with U.S. dollars. Again, this is a takeover on a global scale, and it's not going to end well for the people, of course, as the Fed finishes their final solution to be the lender and buyer of last resort. We're going to continue to see debts and deficits balloon like we have never seen before. Again, all by design, all by design. And the Fed's going to be more than happy to step in here and buy everything. That's what they're going to do. So with that said, the Federal Reserve is going to backstop the stock market no matter what comes down the pike. At least for now. After the election, we'll see. But right now, that's what they're going to do, and it is not going to stop. So in summary, stocks are poised for a higher open. Gold, silver, and crypto are catching a bid. The dollar is down. Crude oil is down. That's not great. 10-year yield 0.67. That's where we stand, people. Now, for my lions out here, we're in one trade. You know what that is? It's Walmart. And we'll see how that plays out over the next few weeks. And if I enter any new trades, you know what I'm going to do. I will post it in my free newsletter for all of you so we could rip the face off of this market. We're not going to let them beat us. It ain't happening. And I got your back. You know I do. All right, with that said, I'm out of here. Love you a lot. Please share the video.